In today's video, we are stepping up our crafting game by using the Omtech Polar Laser to create some really fun DIYs, some really beautiful pieces of decor, some Grinchy pieces because I am obsessed with the Grinch this year. So without further ado, let's jump in. Omtech was kind enough to send me over their Polar 50-watt desktop laser. It's a CO2 laser which has a glass tube and a water chiller. It's already built into the machine, so you don't need to go buy any extra parts. When purchasing the Polar, you just plug it in and it's ready to go. The working bed size is 12 by 20 and it has a built-in 360 camera, which makes it really easy to line up your projects on the screen and on the working bed. You also get a rotary with your machine, which is perfect for engraving tumblers. And I put this on an IKEA table with the fan exhausted out the window. That's just what works best for me. You can also put this in your garage, but we have a little window insert that I found off of Amazon. I can link that down below for you if you want to go that route, but that just works great for us. And I've been super impressed with the fan. By the way, the amount of smell coming from the machine is almost zero. The only time I really ever smell anything is when I open up the lid. So that's been really nice. You're not getting that smoky smell in your home. It can cut and engrave a wide variety of materials. I've done acrylic and wood. You can do leather, rubber. I've done paper and mylar stencil sheets. It can cut and engrave so many things and way beyond that. So if you're looking for a beginner / advanced type of machine, I think that this is a super great option. I also wanted to mention that Omtech is having a Black Friday sale that starts on November 11th. They'll have some really great discounts and you'll want to make sure that you check them out. All the links will be down below. So I wanted to share with you some of the projects that I made with different materials and show you how they turned out. This first one, I found this file on Etsy. In fact, a lot of these files I found on Etsy. I'll make sure to link them down below for you. But I just thought that this was too cute. I am doing full-on Grinch this season, and I knew that I wanted to have some Grinchy signs. So I engraved this entire thing onto this piece of wood. This is how it turned out. I painted the backing before I engraved it, just so that it would be a lot easier on me than having to paint the entire thing. Nailed a frame around it, and this is how it turned out. I thought it was gorgeous. I love the Grinch so much, and this was so easy. The machine did this and it was a piece of cake. Did it perfectly, exactly the way that I wanted it. Next up is some acrylic. Again, found some files on Etsy and it cut this clear acrylic perfectly. I thought making some of these little keychains would be super cute and fun to put in customers' boxes when they ship out as just like a fun little freebie. Talk crafty to me. I just love it so much. And then some other things that I have been dying to cut with this laser because it can cut all acrylics is making bookmarks. I love reading and being able to customize my bookmarks. I just thought that this would be so much fun. So I cut out several clear bookmarks and then I wanted some pattern bookmarks. I actually have some really cute pattern acrylic and I found this little chicken bookmark that it was adorable, and I have the chicken pattern, so I knew that I wanted to make it into a bookmark. How many times am I going to say that? I don't know, but here it is. It's really cute, and you just use it like you would a paper clip. I also made a tree one, and I thought that was cute. I made these UV DTF sheets. I can't remember what website I used, but I'll link that down below. But I made these myself and I added these to the front of my bookmarks. The UV DTF is similar to like vinyl, but way stronger. And I put some different patterns on my bookmarks, one for Harry Potter, the other one for A Court of Thorns and Roses. I also found a bunch of little charms at Michael's for Harry Potter, made myself a little tassel to go along with it, and then added a chain to the bookmark and added all of the little charms to the chain. And I just thought it was the cutest thing, and I want to make bookmarks for all of my favorite books. So here are the finished ones that I made to pair with the books, and they were so much fun to make. And I also think that these are perfect for selling. If you are looking for a machine to make and sell products, I think that these are a really good option. We're going to do a giveaway in today's video. I'm going to give away the fun acrylic bookmarks along with a Talk Crafty to Me tag. All you got to do to enter is leave me a comment in the description box of what kind of videos you want to see from me in the future. Another fun thing that you can do with acrylic in your machine is you can actually sublimate on acrylic. Fun thing. I had no idea until I did a little research, and so I found this Little Debbie Christmas cake pattern on Etsy, and I sublimated that onto my acrylic. I cut out some tree earrings and made a pair of earrings with this. How adorable is that? I just love it so much. So I did that pair of earrings. I also made some Grinchy earrings with the tree and the ornament, and then I made some actual Grinch face earrings to go with it. I used some acrylic glue to glue on all the little pieces, used some jump rings to hook everything together, and then you have your own earrings. Again, another thing that you could sell to customers and make a little jewelry business, and you just cut everything out on your own, and it's perfect. You did it all by yourself. I just think it's so much fun to create earrings out of these, create jewelry. There's so many different things that you could do jewelry wise with your machine. Going back to some Grinchy crafts, some Grinchy DIY home decor signs. Again, I took this base wood that I got in a pack from Omtech. They send you some sample packs. I used that, painted it white, and then I found some files on Etsy with Cindy Lou and Max and the Grinch. I engraved all of those, and then I took some acrylic, cut that out, and added some acrylic accents to the wood sign itself. I used some 3M tape on the back, so that cut out all perfectly. All I have to do is take the little sticker off and put it down on the sign and it sticks. So then I have this little fun 3D piece to go along with my engraved sign. And then I just nailed some dowels around it, gave it a nice frame, and there you have it. You have some really cute Grinch decor for the Christmas season, and I think this is like the perfect neutral Grinchy kind of decor. It's not totally wild and out there, but just that like perfect neutral, almost kind of farmhousey Grinchy touch. The next thing I'm going to show you is cutting your own stencils using Mylar sheets. I get these off of Amazon, and then you can cut your own designs into these. So I recently made a Grinchy sign, and I had cut this stencil using my Omtech. It cuts through the stencil perfectly, and you can do any kind of patterns that you want, but because like I said, I'm obsessing over Grinch this season, I wanted to do a Grinch stencil and make a Grinch sign. It's reusable. You can use the stencil as many times as you want. And like I said, I just made a big sign with it. I also cut out some wood to do the Merry Grinchmas. I just used 1/8 inch birch plywood, and I cut out Merry Grinchmas with his hand. And this sign is one of my absolute favorites that we've made. I just love it so much. You can actually find the stencil and the cutouts over on my website. So again, another really great option for selling and making a small business out of using a laser. The next thing that I think is so much fun to make with your laser are tumbler toppers. I don't know how many of you have Stanleys or other cups, but I just think having a little topper right on top to see every time you take a drink, it just makes drinking water so much more fun. So I created a Grinch one with a file that I got off of Etsy. Of course, like I said, Grinch. He's my favorite. He's my pal this season. So I used black acrylic, green, white, and red. I used some 3M tape on the back, and that makes it so that I can just take the little paper off the back and stick my piece right down, and it will hold everything in place. It will tape and glue all of the pieces right where you want them, and they are pretty dang sturdy. Then you'll just remove all of your contact paper on the top, and then you have this super adorable tumbler topper. And tumbler toppers have been super popular all over Etsy and other small business shops. So again, another great option to sell and make some extra income with. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys is this Omtech black laser marking spray. So typically you can't engrave on metal, but with this spray, it's similar to a spray paint. You just spray it all on to your piece, let it completely dry, and then you can put it in your machine and engrave on top of it. This is going to engrave that spray into the piece itself, and then you can wipe away all the excess afterwards, and then it's like you engraved on metal. It's actually really, really cool, and I can think of so many fun things to do with this. So many fun projects and on metal pieces. I think that it's just a really fun way to add something different, use a different material that you normally couldn't use. So I did the You Better Not Pout song on the back of it, and then cut out an acrylic Santa and glued that right on top. The sign came from Hobby Lobby. I think it was only a couple of dollars, maybe $3 with it being on sale. It was really cheap, and then it turned into a really pretty piece of Christmas decor. So I love kind of branching out, doing something different. I've never used any kind of spray like this before, so I was really impressed when I used it for the first time. Now, the last thing that I wanted to show you is the fact that this Omtech has a camera that can look at your bed. You can put your piece down on your laser bed, and then in your laser software, you can line up your design just right, perfectly, and then engrave onto your material. I think this is perfect if you need to line something up just right, and it did a really great job. Again, something Grinchy. This is one of my favorite lines from the entire movie. I just love it so much. So you could make these into little coasters. You could do little ornaments like this. The camera really comes in great use for lining everything up just perfectly. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which project was your favorite. I will link Omtech in the description box with their links. Don't forget that they are starting Black Friday sales on November 11th. So snag your lasers at a discounted price. I personally love using lasers. We've been using them for over 3 years, I think, at this point, and I absolutely love them. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!